All right, so Anker just invented the easiest installation method for a screen protector that I've seen for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So if you're one of those people who hate installing screen protectors, aka my brother out there, if you're watching this video, then you need to go to Amazon, click on the link, go ahead and get one of these bad boys because this is by far the easiest installation method that I've seen for an iPhone since covering accessories. Let's go ahead and get into it. So this is Anker's all new 2-pack 9H hardness tempered glass screen protector. This will run you $25.99 and it's available for all of the iPhone 15 models. So the link down below, you can click on it, pop it up, 15, 15 Plus, Pro Max, Pro, if you got either one of those bad boys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, just like I stated, this is going to be a 2-pack. Okay, now the good thing about this is the way they make this easier is they're removing the step of having to take out a tray, put the phone on a tray. No, you don't have to do that anymore. This installation box is the installation tray. So once again, they're removing a friction, they're removing a step so you can make things just a little bit more easier. I mean, the next coming up, they're gonna have this little machine that you can just put your phone in, press a button, and it's gonna install a screen protector. If they do it, I'm here for it. You got your prototype right here. So this is gonna be a 2-pack. Now I have installed the first one already because I like to go through my products, use it for a day or so before I make a video on it. So therefore, if this was normal, this will be a screen protector right here. But on the back side of it, there's going to be your second screen protector. So let me go ahead and show you what we get in this. Now, the first thing is going to be the little pack. This is going to contain all of your wet wipes, dust stickers, cleaning cloth, and everything like that. And this right here is going to be where you place the phone inside. And right here, of course, is going to be a little area which is going to apply some pressure to your screen so the screen protector can actually adhere. So let's go ahead and place this to the side right this second. Let's go ahead and tear this open. And I've already tore my wet wipe. As you can see here, cleaning cloth, and you get a dust removal sticker there. So let's go ahead and get this open. If I can get in here. All right. Put that to the side. Now, I've already turned my iPhone off, of course. I took the old screen protector that I had up there, which was already the Anker screen protector, but I just took it off so I can do it all over again for the video for you guys. So we're going to wipe it down. All right, give it a good wipe down along those edges. Those can be the trickiest parts when installing screen protectors. Make sure you don't have any dust on those edges or anything like that. You don't got to do a lot of wiping, especially if you're just taking off a screen protector. You don't have to do tons of wiping. We're going to take our cleaning cloth, dry everything up. This really does a good job getting all of the dust off. Normally, these kind of are friction free, so you don't got to worry about any dust particles or anything like that being up here. Next, let's go ahead and get the dust removal sticker. Now, even though you may not see any dust, I like to just take it, all right, just take a look around, hit your edges. I like the edges because the edges are the most trouble spot where you'll see a little dust sticker, a little dust particle. So let's run it all around the edges. I'm not really seeing much of anything right now. Everything looks pretty good. All right, no dust, no dust. Everything looks fairly good. All right, now what we're gonna do is open our box up and we're just gonna place this phone down into the box like so. All right, close it down, put a little bit of pressure on it, and you're gonna have a little pull tab right here. And all you wanna do is get a little bit of pressure and pull it. Don't hold down too hard because it might, act all weird, but then you wanna pull it out, toss that to the side, open this back up, and then we basically take our phone out, and here you go. You got a little bubble up top. You just hit that right here, and everything is perfectly installed when it comes to this screen protector. I'm talking about not a single bubble in sight. So let's go ahead and turn this on real fast. And that is what I'm talking about when it comes to an installation. You simply cannot get much easier than that when installing a screen protector. That was literally perfection. It's literally aligned to perfection. There is no off alignment. Everything seems good on all the sides. This does contain a black border that goes all the way around it, so you don't get any rainbow effects or anything like that. Listen, I'm here for it. Anker, you just knocked it out the park. Of course, we don't have to worry about too much touch sensitivity or anything like that. Everything works just fine, super clear. No, not anti-glare or anything like that. Although I want screen protectors to get on that flow lab wave and start making them anti-glare, those screen protectors are just that much better. But as an installation process, you cannot beat what Anker has done with this installation box. I mean, everything is included. You just use one and keep this whole box as an installation frame. Don't try to take these apart. Just keep it all together and you're good to go. I mean, just like I stated, man, you don't get that much easier when it comes to an installation. Just perfect all the way around. No bubbles, no issues at all when it comes to this screen protector. So, once again, if you hate installing screen protectors and you want something that's going to just be easy, that I feel like anybody out there can do. If you can wipe your countertops off, you can wipe your screen off and place it in this installation box to install a perfectly aligned, bubble-free screen protector. Anker, you did your thing, man. This is by far the easiest method that I've seen so far. I don't know what's coming next. I'm sure somebody's going to keep pushing the envelope when it comes to these installation processes, but Anker, you did your thing with this one right here. I'm a fan of it. This is one that I can highly, highly recommend. And of course, we'll make sure the screen protector does last, doesn't prematurely scratch and different things like that. Maybe I'll come back with you, update on Twitter, YouTube community tab, or something like that, letting you know how the screen protector has performed. But go out there and get one of these, man. $25.99, comes in a 2-pack, the easiest installation method that you can get, and you can get it for every single iPhone 15 model. But if you want to check out some more Anker accessories, they also make some pretty dope cases that are very budget friendly. I'll be sure to pop that video right here.